this process is taking up a lot of your CPU, it can be due to a lot of different reasons. So in this video, we will show you how you can fix the problem. So first, in resolving this problem, you must update your wireless network driver. To do so, open your device manager, go to network adapters, then update your driver. Next, try disabling unnecessary startup programs by opening Task Manager, choose Startup, and then disable any application you don't need, and see if that resolves the issue. Additionally, run the Network Adapter Troubleshooter. What you will need to do is just open Settings, go to Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, scroll down, and then locate the Network Adapter Troubleshooter. Then, click the Run option next to it, and let Windows detect any network-related issues. And for your last resort, roll back to the current network adapter driver. Do it by opening Device Manager, double-click on Network Adapters, right-click the driver, choose Properties, go to Driver tab, and click the Rollback Driver option and confirm the action. Now once it completes the process, restart your computer and check if that solved the issue. And that's how you can fix this network high CPU usage on Windows. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.